Tomorrow, you guys are gonna be 2 of the other 4,000 people dressed in costume, men and women alike, jumping up, having fun.
I actually have a little bit of freestyle dancing that I can actually do.
You do what makes you feel good and makes you feel like, you know, you're letting loose and you have no care in the world. Crazy experience.
So hot, so hot, blood start bubbling up. Million jam by the truck in the festival, and it brings out the best in me.
I had to say the carnival was like the craziest and wildest and loudest party ever. I mean, that was like...
What is the Spring 2018 Caribbean crew? What we talking about?
I can't get enough, endless walking up. I can't get enough.
Everybody, regardless of color or shape or form, they just let loose and had fun.
I'm not trying to be too crazy. I mean, I'm just showing what I actually got.
I feel so hot, so hot. Blood start bubbling up. Million jam by the truck, and it's back on.
Every person we've met has been extremely welcoming. One of the most beautiful displays of love that we've had in a long time, and no one did that better than TJ.
Hey, girl, put it on you.
Oh man! Yeah! He let me wear his wings. He was doing flips. The guy just embodied art.
I can't get enough. I can't get enough.
As far as my dancing personally, I tried to adhere to their philosophy of not caring what anyone else thought. I think how it plays out, looking back, we'll see. I don't know.
I feel so hot, so hot. Blood start bubbling.
I think Tom did okay. I mean, he's still young of heart, but you know, he's kind of crazy.
Million jam by the truck in the festival, and it brings out the best.